Until now, in workflows, every decision had to be predefined as a branch, every condition anticipated, every field manually mapped. The AI agent action changes that by letting you describe your goal and picking the tools your agent should have. So it can plan the sequence, decide the inputs, handle edge cases, and execute all within a single workflow step. Let's learn how to use it. Inside the Workflow Builder, add the action AI agent. Choose a template or select Build Your Own to start from scratch. Write your instructions describing what the agent should do. Add the tools the agent can use, up to 10 per agent. The agent automatically searches and pulls context from across the entire CRM, allowing you to have a fully self-regulating agent that you can select a model for and use advanced options for improved memory and outputs. The AI agent transforms workflows into a tool where a true CRM agent can evaluate context, make judgment calls, and execute actions on its own, all within the system you already know. We hope you enjoy it.